Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn that is a product design engineering, that is the next part, that is a design for appearance aesthetic consideration in design. Myself Mr. SP Udgave, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Edrao. So first, that is a learning objective to understand the development of product design with the aesthetic consideration, and the second to know the consideration and reflection of the aesthetic design. So learning objective, student should be able to at the end should be able to explain the about the design of appearance, and the student able to that is a aware about the designing the components. So first, that is the aesthetic consideration. Now you can see the image, that is the appearance is an outward expression of a quality of the product and is the first communication of the product with user. Aesthetic is defined as the set of principles of appreciations of beauty. It deals with the appearance of the product. Now you can see the images. So numbers of cars in available in market, so they reflect their image, like the uh, different images they can shows the aesthetic views. On that basis they are communicate with the product with the user. So next, that is a parameter, that is a product design. There are many different things that contribute to your overall, that is a perception of product, and to your opinion as to whether it is aesthetically pleasing to you. So numbers of parameters. So initially for the aesthetic view, that is a vision. In vision, so color, shape, pattern, line, texture, visual weight, and the balance, scale, movement. Similar way, that is a hearing, that is a related with the numbers of product, that is a loudness, pitch, beat, repetition, melody, pattern, noise. Touch, the next parameter, that is a touch, that is a texture, shape, weight, hue, and the comfort, temperature, vibration, sharpness is of use. The next parameter for the product design, that is a contribute aesthetically, that is a taste, strength, that is a sweetness, sourness, and texture. And finally the smell, that is a food quality, that is a smell, that is a strength and sweetness and pleasantness. So on which we can classify the aspect of the aesthetic design. The various aspect of the aesthetic design are shape, color, variety, style, continuity, contrast, symmetry, and balance, material and surface finish, style, and finally the proportion. So first we can go for the shape of the product, that is a shows that there are basic 5 shapes of the product, that is a namely step, taper, shear, streamline, and the sculpture. So these are the numbers of shapes, that is the external shape of any product can be given is based on the one of the combination of the basic shape, that is a step form, taper form, shaper form, or shear form, streamline form, and sculptural form. The sculptural and the stream form are the suitable for the mobile products like vehicles, while step and the shear form are suitable for the stationary product. Similar way, second, that is a as for the aesthetic, that is a second parameter is the color. Most important, that is the color is the one of the major important factor to the aesthetic appeal of the product, such as the creating the interest and the eliminating eye fatigue, assisting the memory, directing the attention. The choice of color, that is a should be, that is a compatible with the conventional ideas of the operator. So numbers of color, that is a red color, that is a danger, hazard, or the hot, we can give the meaning. Orange, that is a possible danger. Yellow, that is a caution, that is a green, that is a safety. Blue, that is a caution, cold, and the gray, dull. So these are the meanings of the color, that is a Morgan has the suggested about the meaning of the color as shown in the table. Similar way, so next is the symmetry and the balance. The symmetry is a suggest a state of the order, but a symmetry can create a greater sense of interest. Both have been used successfully in architecture. Symmetrical arrangement of identical components on the board contributes to an impression or the order to, that is a tidiness. The computer system is an example of the functional requirements to lead use of the asymmetrical arrangement. This is a create a visual attraction. The figure shows the symmetrical, asymmetrical, unbalanced, and the asymmetrical and balanced. Material and surface finish. The material and the surface finish of the product that is a contribute significantly to the appearance, that is a strength and load, surface texture, surface finish and surface coating. The chromium plating of automobile, that is a components, improves the corrosion resistance along with the appearance. The next parameter is the impression and the purpose. The product designed with the aesthetic not only the look nice but should also create the impression that it works more efficiently. The product should gives it impression of the satisfactory, that is a performance or purpose. The taper shape gives the impression of the strength and the stability as shown in figure. Contrast, or that is particularly that is distinction between the adjustment and the elements of the product which have clearly different characteristics and the functions. The contrast, that is improve the appearance of the product. The choice of the colors can be particularly important. Variety. The variety is the particularly important in marketing range of product, that is like refrigerator, fan, stereo system or vehicle. Now different figures are shown. So first one is a side by side, that is a refrigerator. So top refrigerator, it is a different. There is a bench door refrigerator, bottom refrigerator, counter depth refrigerator. So numbers of varieties are available for aesthetic views. Continuity. So a product which has good continuity of element is aesthetically appealing, and continuity is thus associated with the order or tidiness of the product. For example, that is a fillet radius at the change of a cross section adds the continuity to the product, and hence that is a improve the appearance. Next is the style. For the aesthetic, it is the most important, that is the style is the visual quality of the product which set it apart from the rest of the functionally and identically products. Good style with the skillful work, that is increases the product attraction. Proportion. That is a concern with the relationship with the size between the connected component or the element of items. The spanner shown in figure, that is satisfies the functional requirement and can be easy to manufacture, but it is out of proportion, hence poor in appearance. The spanner is shown in figure is the proportion and the aesthetically pleasing. So poor appearance and the better appearance of the spanner is shown in figure. So reflect the aesthetic in design, that is appearance, that is reflects the performance, that is for example, that is aerodynamic shape of the car will have a lesser air resistance, that is resulting to the lesser fuel consumption. Similarly, that is appearance, that is reflects the function. For example, that is aerodynamic shape of the car, that is indicates the speed, and the appearance, that is reflects the quality. For example, robust and heavy appearance of the hydraulic press reflects its strength and rigidity. Comfort to user, for example, arrangement of the chair provides the comfort and aesthetically pleasing and suitable to environment. For example, refrigerator is now eco-friendly refrigerant, so proportion and the aesthetically pleasing the environment concern. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected for the next video.